Hey, good morning guys, it's Brad with BOLO Pickers. Today's video is going to be why you should be selling on both eBay and Amazon, so stick around. Good Sunday morning, YouTube Nation. It is Brad with BOLO Pickers here to talk about why you should be selling on Amazon and eBay. We've got 3 eBay solds to show you. Nothing exciting, just standard money making, 101 with the eBay stuff. But I want to talk about why you should be selling on both. So we're going to get to that right after I show you what we sold on eBay. So eBay, we only had 3 orders yesterday, and sometimes we have slow Saturdays, and that's fine. It does happen. We sold a Toastmaster grinder. This is like a little coffee grinder, and it's in BS1D1. I believe it's back here. BS1. I'm in BS2. That's why it's not there. There it is. I see it. It is right here. It's just a little Toastmaster. People use these to grind spices and coffee and different things. We paid $1.99 for this at Goodwill, and it sold for, I believe, $8.99. Let me double check. This sold for $8 plus the buyer paid shipping. So not a super huge money maker, but something that did sell. It took a long time to sell, so nothing I would say go chasing after. But BS2D5 has our next item, which is new with tags Under Armour flip-flops, sold for $15.99 plus $3.95 shipping. I'll have to make sure these are the right size. There may be a multiples in here. This is the tag that just came off, the price tag. We'll put that in the bag with it so they see it. We paid $3 for these at Dick's, and actually my mom paid for these and then gave them to me, so I didn't pay anything for these. Sold them for $15.99 plus shipping, and these are size 7, and those are also size 7. So we'll take that orange tag off of there, and then we'll make sure that price tag gets in there because it was flimsy and it just came off. So send that in there as well. So that's item number 2. And then item number 3 is a vintage radio. I love selling old radios. It's in box 5. It's right up here. This sold for $15 plus buyer paid shipping. And it's been around for a little while. But old radios that have the wood grain on the side. You guys see the wood grain right there? Make sure that's in your title. Okay? Make sure the wood grain is in your title. These people, when there's break or, they move and they forget them or whatever, they look for the radios that have always been with them. And this is a pretty cool one. We tested it all the way out. It's in really good condition. We paid $1.99 for it. And it sold for, like I said, $15 plus shipping. All right. So let's talk what we sell on Amazon versus what we sell on eBay. And everybody will tell you eBay's for collectible items, eBay's for rare and vintage items. That's not always true. We do sell a mix of everything on both websites. Last year on Amazon, we're a 6-figure seller, and last year on Amazon we did just under $500,000 in sales. We're pretty proud of that. A lot of it is just all over the board. We saw a lot of different things, books and grocery, couldn't think of the category, healthcare, stuff like that. So when we're going through the store, we look at different things, and I'm going to show you. We love selling board games on both, and I just wanted to talk about the difference between why we sell certain board games on Amazon and eBay, and it really just comes down to demand. So if you look at these items here, right, these are all board games minus this. This is an old vibrator, which is kind of funny. We found that at Goodwill, and we think we can get quite a bit out of it actually. But let's take this game for example, this Disney Trivial Pursuit. And this is going to be a lesson for you guys too in what we call online arbitrage. So this I paid $5 for in an online auction bid for Facebook. And this right here on Amazon is selling for in between, I think, $70 and $90 collectible. Toys have to be collectible at Amazon. You can go to eBay and buy the same game, collectible condition, and it will sell anywhere from $10 to $25, right? And you're like, wait, Why is it so much cheaper on eBay? It just depends on where the demand is. Disney, for me, and board games typically sells better on Amazon. But if you're smart and you're thinking about it, you could buy this item on eBay for $15 and flip it to Amazon for $70 used. Just got to make sure all the pieces are there, right? That's the downside of board games. But that's what I'm looking at. I look at both. When we go to the eBay, or not eBay, when we go to a thrift store like Goodwill, Salvation Army, we look at the board games and we scan them with both apps to see. And then if we find a game like this Disney Trivial Pursuit, and it sells well on Amazon, we'll pick it up, we'll sell it on Amazon. If it ends up selling relatively well, we'll buy them on eBay and we'll flip them on Amazon. It's pretty simple to do. Just a tip for you guys. But you should definitely be signed up for Amazon and eBay, because this game right here would make us about $15 on eBay. Instead, it's going to make us closer to $50 on Amazon. So I hope that helps clarify a little bit. I'm going to keep giving tips like that as often as I can. Hopefully, I'll get to some more videos about what we've sold, as our sales have continued to be excellent on eBay. So thank you so much for watching with us today, guys. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you are, give them a thumbs up, comment below, and we will talk to you guys soon. Have a great Sunday.